Okay, I'm Lorne Heise. I'm the founder of Heatline Corporation, and I'm here today to describe the proper installation of our milliamp device that we developed years ago. Okay, so you'll notice on the box prior to opening it that the device is good for 20 amp circuits at 120 volts and 16 amps at 240 volts. And this meets the 80% rule by the electrical authorities. So as you open the box, you'll find the device in a very heavy-duty metal enclosure, and you'll also find a concise set of installation instructions. And if you follow them, it'll help make the installation easier. We would recommend that you read through them first and then make your installation. The best way to demonstrate this, we feel, is to just go through the device in accordance to the instructions. There's a total of 7 steps, and we'll start with step 1. And step 1's a pretty simple step. You take a Phillips screwdriver, and you undo the front of the enclosure. One of the things that we thought about in the design of this product was that if we put the milliamp device in the door and we put fly leads or tails on the device, it'd make the installation far more simple. So you'll note when I open the door, the milliamp device comes with it. So the device is in the door. So then when we go to step 2, you'll notice that the conductors are all identified. And if we look at the back of the milliamp device, the line is on the top, the load is on the bottom. So from the electrical service, the power supply comes into the line conductors, and to the load, the pump or whatever the circuit is that we're protecting comes out of the bottom conductors. And that's a rule that normally all line wires come in the top of a device and they all exit the bottom of the device. And that's the way this has been constructed. For ease of installation, the product comes complete with the wire nuts, certified wire nuts to make all the connections necessary inside the enclosure. Step number 3, we take our feed or line conductors into the box and we connect them to line 1. We connect our ground wires, and then we move to step 4 and we connect the load conductors to the load side of the milliamp device. So step 3 illustrates that you bring the line conductors from the electrical service into the enclosure, and then you simply take those conductors and you, with the wire nuts, you connect them to the line side of the milliamp device. In step 4, the load conductors are connected into the enclosure and the load wires go to the device you're protecting, whether it's a submersible pump in a lake or some other device in an electrical circuit that you want to protect with a 10 milliamp ground fault device. The ground conductors, of course, are common to the ground terminal in the base of the enclosure and the grounds that are included with the line and load entry cables, as depicted in illustration number 5. So once all of your connections are made with the wire nuts that are included in the package, confirm that they are all tight and that they're turned on in a clockwise position and they're tight, extremely tight, tight as you can make them. Once they're all done and tightened and confirmed, you can then tuck them into the enclosure, close the enclosure, and fasten the lid back on, fasten the face back on. In conclusion, I also want to note that every electrical installation must be inspected by the electrical safety authorities or the local electrical jurisdiction in your particular area. If you have any further questions regarding this product or any other Heatline product, contact our customer support team at Heatline at www.heatline.com or you can contact us at using phone 1-800-584-4944. And thank you for watching.